Hi, I'm Val from Quilty Pleasures, and I want to remind you of one of our favorite products for temporarily holding fabrics together, and it's 505 Temporary Adhesive Spray. Comes in two sizes. The smaller size will easily do a lap size, twin size quilt, probably with some to spare, and then there's the larger size which will do much more than that. What's great about this stuff is that you can layer your quilt, your batting, your backing, the top, and keep it all together. It's not going to shift, it's going to stay put. And I have actually, back in the days when I hand quilted, it would take me 5 years to finish a quilt, and I would have it all spray basted together, and I would cart it around, and I would unpack it and quilt a little bit, pack it back up, cart it around some more, pack it back, unpack it. It lasted through that whole thing. It did not give out, it didn't have to be reapplied, it held. So it's wonderful stuff. It avoids pinning and all of that, much easier. So I'm making a pretend little tiny quilt, and this will be my backing. So you just put it down on your table or floor or whatever. Shake the 505 and spray lightly. You don't want to be too high up, you want to be fairly close to your quilt, and give it a very light spray. It does not take much, and you don't want a lot of overspray because it's kind of messy to clean up afterwards. So I've sprayed my backing. I place my batting on top. Give it a quick spray. As I said, it doesn't take much. And then put your top on top like that. This is all held together now so that you can machine quilt, you can hand quilt. It doesn't gum up your needle. It doesn't gum up your needle. It doesn't interfere with you know, there are no pins or anything to interfere with your stitching, and that's always a bonus. The other thing I really like 505 for is my design wall. I've had it for a long time. I use it a lot, and it's kind of, the felt side has kind of lost its grip, and every once in a while I just give it a spray with 505 and it perks it right up, and I can start using it again. It holds my fabrics without letting them drift to the floor. So it just kind of rejuvenates your design wall, which is a fairly big investment. So if you can get more life out of it, that's a good thing. Just a reminder, 505, try it.